Coach Benjamin Nyirenda, Eswatini Daily News. As you have already alluded to say, it was a 1-1 draw, which gives you a slight of an advantage because it's an away goal. What's the approach to the game? Do you say, let's just keep the 1-0, or you want to open up and give them the chance also to counter-attack you?
Yeah, there's any coach that thinks that managing a draw advantage because he scored away and tries to take the game in that way is making a big mistake. So it's not over even in my way of approaching a football game, and for sure also in the nature of not in the nature of our players in our club. We have a big responsibility, and the responsibility is obviously to make the best possible out of this semi-final. And to make it, we need to be aggressive enough to have our moments, to create our moments, and to score goals. I believe that we need to score goals if we want to go through, because we also play against a team that can score any moment by the quality of the players that will for sure line up on the other side. What is obviously important is that the teams understand how they can be aggressed, and how we can take offensive actions that can aggress Orlando Pirates, and that's what we're going to do for sure. So these kind of matches are matches that tactically must be very well prepared, because obviously conceding is also what takes out advantage of the goal that we scored away, and scoring just gives you one goal advantage, because if Orlando Pirates scores again any moment, then we get a null, and we still need to fight for more. So I think that our approach will be like a normal match. We want to win. We know what qualities has our opponent. We need to reduce them. I think in the first match we had in some moments some difficulties. We need to correct those details, reminding that details are very important things in football. So when we think about details, it doesn't mean that those things are not massive, because they are massive. They can make you suffer goals. And correcting those mistakes, I don't expect that Orlando Pirates will play a different way. They will be the team loyal to themselves, as we see since the new coach arrived. It's very clear. Even yesterday we saw again in the match against Stellenbosch that the way they play is very clear and very easy to characterize. It doesn't mean that it's easy to control, but we need to do it, and we need to take the ball and create our moments and manage the game as much as possible the way we like and we know and we should do, trying to impose as much as possible.
Reporting for Eswatini Daily News, this is Benjamin Nyirenda from the PSL offices in Parktown, Johannesburg.